Welcome back to FitLife Fusion, your go-to source for health, beauty, and wellness tips. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Today, we're diving deep into a skincare topic that's been a huge concern for many: acne. If you've been struggling with breakouts, this video is for you. We'll be talking about the top 5 vitamins that can help eliminate acne quickly and leave your skin glowing. Let's jump right in. First up on our list is vitamin A, the ultimate skin regenerator. Vitamin A helps speed up the skin's cell turnover process, which means it can help prevent dead skin cells from clogging pores. This makes it a powerful tool for preventing and treating acne. Vitamin A boosts cell turnover and prevents clogged pores. One form of vitamin A you've probably heard of is retinoids, which are commonly used in skincare products to reduce acne. But did you know that you can also get vitamin A naturally from food? Foods rich in vitamin A include sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and kale. Not only do these foods help prevent acne, but they also promote overall skin health, reducing scars and evening out your complexion. Vitamin A-rich foods: sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, kale. Adding these foods to your diet is a simple way to boost your vitamin A levels and see quick improvements in your skin. Next up, we have vitamin C, the collagen booster. Vitamin C is not just for your immune system, it's a superstar for your skin, too. It helps promote the production of collagen, which is essential for repairing damaged skin and reducing acne scars. Vitamin C boosts collagen, repairs skin, and fights inflammation. Vitamin C also has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can reduce redness and swelling caused by acne. It's also a powerful antioxidant, protecting your skin from free radicals that can worsen acne. To get more vitamin C, make sure to eat fruits like oranges, strawberries, kiwi, and vegetables like broccoli and bell peppers. Or, if you prefer, you can use vitamin C serums topically to brighten and heal your skin faster. Vitamin C-rich foods: oranges, strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers. Whether you're eating your vitamin C or applying it directly to your skin, it's a must-have vitamin to help reduce acne and brighten up your complexion. Our third vitamin on the list is vitamin D. Often called the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D plays a crucial role in regulating your body's hormones, which is key in reducing acne, especially if it's hormonal. Vitamin D regulates hormones and reduces inflammation. Vitamin D also has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce swelling and redness from acne. Plus, it strengthens your immune system, helping your body fight off the bacteria that causes breakouts. To get more vitamin D, spend time outdoors in the sun. Just don't forget your sunscreen. You can also boost your vitamin D levels through foods like salmon, eggs, and fortified products like milk or cereal. Vitamin D-rich foods: salmon, eggs, fortified milk, and cereal. If you live in an area where sunlight is limited, you might want to consider vitamin D supplements. Just be sure to check with your doctor to ensure you're getting the right amount. Next on the list is vitamin E, known as the skin protector. Vitamin E helps shield your skin from free radical damage, which can make acne worse. It's also excellent at moisturizing the skin, reducing irritation and inflammation. Vitamin E shields skin from free radicals and moisturizes. Many skincare products include vitamin E for its soothing properties. You can also get it naturally from foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, avocados, and spinach. One of the best ways to benefit from vitamin E is through topical application. Apply it directly to acne scars to promote healing and reduce their appearance. Vitamin E-rich foods: almonds, avocados, sunflower seeds. Whether you're eating it or applying it topically, vitamin E is a must-have for healthy, glowing, and acne-free skin. Last but definitely not least is zinc. This mineral is a powerful acne fighter. Zinc helps reduce oil production, which is often a culprit for clogged pores and breakouts. Zinc reduces oil production and fights acne. Zinc is also anti-inflammatory and helps prevent the bacteria that causes acne. You can either take zinc supplements or add zinc-rich foods to your diet, like pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, lentils, and oysters. If you're struggling with severe acne, consider talking to your doctor about zinc supplements. Research shows that people with acne often have lower levels of zinc, so getting enough of this mineral is crucial. Zinc-rich foods: pumpkin seeds, lentils, oysters, supplements. And there you have it, the 5 vitamins that can help you eliminate acne quickly and reveal clearer, healthier skin. From vitamin A for faster cell turnover to zinc to reduce oil production, these nutrients are your skin's best friend. If you're serious about getting rid of acne and improving your skin, start incorporating these vitamins into your daily routine. And remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below letting me know which vitamins you're going to add to your skincare regimen. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and beauty tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay glowing!